Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're doing our first shop with us video. So we're going to Home Goods. We're going to take you around and show you what we find. And at the end, I will show you what we actually bought.
And then in my car seat, which I missed unbuckle me.
We have to get masked up and hit the road.
Standing on the edge of it, stuck in circles, overthinking it, meet in the middle, too afraid to take the first step, cause it just might break. Why don't we just say what we wanna? We could be honest about the way we've been feeling things for each other. I wanna feel you fall in love. love this camouflage. We could be different, we could decide. There's too much tension in our atmosphere. Meet in the middle. Oh, I wanna take the first step, 'cause it could be great. Why don't we just say what we wanna? We could be honest about the way we've been feeling things for each other. This time I'm not walking away. We always wanna put on camouflage. It's just the way of the millennium. Why do we feel like we're not good enough? Why don't we lose all of this camouflage? Keep holding back 'cause we're afraid to try. Pushing it off until another night. But what if we could just put down our flaws? Can we lose all of this camouflage? Everyone wants the upper hand 'cause a broken heart isn't part of the plan. I act like I don't miss you, but I wanna see you. Let's not make this harder than it really needs to. Everyone wants the upper hand 'cause a broken heart isn't part of the plan. I act like I don't miss you, but I wanna see you. Let's not make this harder than it really needs to be. We always wanna put on camouflage. It's just the way of the millennium. Why do we feel like we're not good enough? Why don't we lose all of this camouflage? Keep holding back 'cause we're afraid to try. Pushing it off until another night. I always thought that you could be the one. Can we lose all of this camouflage? We always wanna put on camouflage. It's just the way of the millennium. Why do we feel like we're not good enough? Why don't we lose all of this camouflage?
I have a unicorn backpack.
We are back from shopping. We're going to show you what we got now. I'm just going to pull everything out of the bag and kind of talk through it. We're going to do this pretty quickly, but we are going to show you what we got. Are you excited?
So I'm gonna pull my unicorn.
Okay, so Emery got this backpack purse. I told her she could get one thing, and this is what we landed on. So it was only $16.99. She already took the tag off, but it is really good, like, quality, and it's leather, so, or leather. But that is what she got, and then show me that. And then I also got 2 of these water bottles, Mana. I thought they were a really good price for the quality. Like, I see these at Target all the time for like $15. So we got this one for Emery, which has like a open spout like that. And then I got this one for Zara because it has this different spout. That would be easier for her. But they're cute prints. And they're aluminum, which is what we try to go for with those because we try to stay with the plastic. I also got this canister. It's just a tea canister. And this was $5.99. And it's aluminum. We got a dog toy, Rose all day. I thought that was super cute. This was only $5, I think $4.99. They have so many dog toys. And then we got this for Zara. She's really into small toys right now, so I got this cute little...
it's for me too.
Yeah, it's probably to share. And it comes with a little slide, and that was $4.99. And then the last thing...
We open it.
Yeah, go ahead. This is... I've been looking for one of these for a while, and I just haven't found one for a good price, and I thought this was. So it was $14.99, and they also had larger ones for $20, but I liked the smaller one. and I have to pick a place to hang it now. I'm really excited. So let me know if you like this video. It was really fun to do, just something different, and we go shopping, so I thought, why not just film it and bring you guys with us anyway. Oh, and I also got this a new reusable bag. We get these a lot, use them for like beach bags and groceries and stuff, so I also got that. Yes, that is it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you so much for watching today.